Geologists tell us that in the long processes of the ages, mountains have been raised and leveled, continents formed and washed away. Astronomers tell us that in space are countless worlds, many of them doubtless inhabited, perhaps by creatures of a lower type than we, perhaps by creatures of a higher. The magnitude of these changes and of these worlds makes the imagination reel. But on one thing we can rely, the greatness of the human soul. On one thing we can confidently build, the men whose spirit is lofty, divine. For though the giant ages heave the hill and break the shore, and evermore make and break, and work their will, though world on world in myriads roll round us, each with different powers, and other forms of life than ours, what know we greater than the soul? On God and godlike men we build our trust.